come eat a mukbang with me. Okay, so first, okay, let me grab it. Grr. Won't let me, oh my god. Won't let me grab it. Okay, let's eat. Wait. I'm also testing something really good. Let me see if I test this. I still have it. Oh my god. I love this. Okay, let me. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna just go with this. Okay, let's grab 2 of these bad boys. Okay. What the? Let me grab another butter. Okay, let me dip it. Ooh, what was that sound? Ooh, I do not like that sound. Onion foil. That was awesome. Then I'm gonna just grab all these mussels real quick. Let me grab. Wait, can I grab the pepper? No. Okay. Let me grab the mussel. Okay, now this is like kind of like another practice one. This isn't the full ASMR. I'll make more ASMR videos like this though, because I might make a Roblox channel with a Minecraft channel, because I have 2 of them. So I might post this one and my other ones, because I'm so custom-made. Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, ooh. Wait. So hot, so hot. Not the thingy. It's so good, y'all. You know what? I need to stop talking with my mouth full. Oh, wait. Why did I just go cross-eyed? Wait, what? This? Wait, let me get it. Okay, I do not like that noise. That's so good. Let's fight. Why did I go cross-eyed again? What? Y'all seen me go cross-eyed, right? Bro, I'm not even looking that way. What? Why are my eyes looking that way? What? What the? Oh, there we go. Let's grab the meat. Okay, let me grab it. Wait, let me grab this one too. We got this ginormous rocket here. Let's dip it in the raw sauce. So good. So good. Okay, so I finished that. So let's clear the table. Look into my eyes. What do you see? Look into my eyes. What do you see? Why does Loki kind of look like an alien? Okay, let's order some more food. Ooh, what should I get, y'all? What should I get? Let's get some Rod's milk and internet's milk. The pink internet, not the other one. Okay, then some chocolate buttons. Oh. And then we gotta get the bake mac Actually, no baked mac and cheese. Then this. Okay, y'all, let's set it up. Okay, I'm gonna begin this way. What the happened to my face? Okay, then put my buttons right here. Ah! What? Oh my god, my hair is in the way IRL. Substra. Actually, no. Some internet milk. And then we got some Ron's milk. Okay, y'all. You ready for me to... Oh, wait. I didn't get that much food. I'm not big back anymore. What is this? What is the dot thing for? What is this? What is it doing? Why is there a green thing? Here. God, let me just keep eating it, please. Ah, it looks so good. And y'all, if the video accidentally stops, it might be because I ran out of storage. Because this is a long video. Let's get some lemon, baby. Nectar, baby. Get some there, and then get some on that. Then get in there. Then get in that. That was hella good. Let me get my chocolate balls. My choco balls. Ooh, y'all ready to eat? You ready for me to eat? Why my face be looking like that? Oh wait, let's go down a little so you can see my face. What the? I look so crusty underneath. Why are my teeth looking like that? Oh my god. I'm so scared to eat now. Because I don't want me looking weird. I already look weird enough. Ah! Oh wait, if y'all can't see my face expression, it's because oh my god, my eyes. Ah! Okay, I'm back. Okay. Wait, that wasn't the last bite? I think this is the last bite. Ah! I want more. Then we get some this, that. Let's get some Ron's milk. Ooh, yeah! There's some internet's milk. Woo! That was yummy. So, but I'm gonna stop the video now because I don't want my tablet to break because how long this video is and because I have to post it on Pinterest first. So I could edit it a little, even though I'm not. Bye! Okay, what the?